Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make everything bigger on Windows. If text, icons, and apps appear too small on your Windows computer, you can make them larger through the display settings. Windows includes built-in scaling options that increase the size of most on-screen elements without reducing image quality. You can also adjust the display resolution and text size for a more comfortable viewing experience. To begin, turn on your Windows computer and sign in. Right-click an empty area of the desktop, then select Display Settings from the menu. Scroll to the Scale and Layout section. Click the Scale drop-down menu and choose a larger scaling option such as 125 or 150 or another available value. And click the check button. Wait for Windows to apply the new scaling setting. If prompted, sign out and sign back in to apply the changes completely. Return to display settings if items are still too small. Check the display resolution setting and make sure it is set to recommended resolution for your monitor. Open the settings and go to the accessibility. Select text size and move the slider to make text larger if needed. Click Apply to save the new text size. Review your desktop and apps to confirm that everything is now easier to see, making further adjustments if necessary. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.